and this is what I like as well. And sometimes you want to let a runner go. This is kind of what I mean, right? If you take a ceiling break right here, you could almost let this average ride up all the way, and you could hold this trade and then close it out right there with your runners. You always put a stop at break even though, so that way you're guaranteed not to take a loss, right? For the swing trading standpoint, this is what I like right here. We go to the daily chart or a higher time frame, and we actually took puts right here. We took puts right here. Why did I take puts right here? My stop loss was going to be right here. This was my stop loss. Measured my move. We gapped down. We took money. That was an easy 75, 80% ROI in one day. So for me personally, I actually took calls right here as well, and we gapped up. That was a grand slam. So for me, what I like to do is I like to use the alligator. And we all have this. If you don't have it, I can share it with you guys too as well. It is inside the Facebook group. Basically, what happens is when price is above all of our averages right here, that is very strong momentum to the upside. Here, very strong momentum to the downside. Here, very strong momentum to the downside. Here, very strong momentum to the downside. And you could dumb it down. Yeah, this is the alligator. Same thing you guys got on TradingView. We got it made for Thinkorswim because I like everything to be on one platform if I can. I don't like looking at one chart, trading off another chart while looking at a different chart. That's just my preference. I prefer if it was all at one spot. So one of the reasons why we are very good on the weekly hit list is because we'll pick a stock that the momentum is very bullish or bearish. And once we get that, we'll put a line here, a break. And once we break that, we will take our puts. So like anytime that I'm looking for swing trades, someone give me a random stock real quick. Just so you don't know, I'm not setting you up with SPY. Give me one. Cisco. All right, Cisco. So right now, I would analyze this. To me, Cisco's in no man's land. It is in this mess right here. I do not like any stocks in the mess. That is just me, right? I like Cisco on this candle right here, and I'm going to take a break to the upside. Price pushes up. You see that? And I would swing trade it there. And you could ride it all the way up if you wanted to. Me, I'm quick to take profits because I understand IV hike. I'd probably sell out in this day. That's just me because you get a substantial move to the upside. To the downside, right here would be a perfect opportunity. Price comes down, it pushes back up in no man's land. We got this reversal arrow right here, which is a good clue. Once we broke that to the downside the next day, I'm taking puts as soon as we open up. I'm putting a stop loss right here, and I'm measuring my move and holding it to right there, and I'm going to let a runner go, and I'm selling out over the next couple days. That's how I swing trade. I like momentum stocks in a shorter time frame, or not like I'm on a daily time frame when I swing trade, but I'm talking about like I still like to be in and out as quickly as possible with just consistent profits. You know what I mean? So if you go actually in here to where's it at? We go into our server here. Where was our weekly hit list? Where did I put this at? Weekly hit list right here. I'm gonna paste this in the box. We'll run through this real quick. And why did I like these stocks? You about to find out. Win or cat number one. Why do I like cat? Well, this was Sunday, this was Monday, this was Tuesday. Here I put an alert. It triggered, right? Why did I like this? Guess what? We were trending up. We come back down in no man's land. We come back up here, and I'm taking a breakout right there. This move right here generates an easy 10 to 30%. Guess what? There's easy money right there. Another stock we had. Can we swing trade at any time, or do we have to wait till the market opens to place a trade? When you trade stock options, you can only place a stock option from 9:30 to 4. I typically like to enter my swing trades on the reversal side of things at the very end of the day. But when I swing trade the weekly hit list, whenever the alert fires off, That's when I like to enter them. Win, same thing. I put a line here, an alert in trading view. We did not break to the upside. I did not take win at all. Yeah, not a problem. Good question. DG comes, right? I had an alert right here, trading view. This is my Friday candle. So I did not know what Monday or Tuesday was going to bring. And here's what I would have done. I would have done absolutely nothing. On the put side of things, we had Tesla, right? What happened to Tesla? Here was Friday. And I put an alert right here. We triggered Monday. Just to put some perspective in, that I'm going to give you guys your night back, because we could talk all night about this. We would want to break down at 149.62, and look where price is at right now. So we would have taken the 149, 148, or 147 puts. What you can do, if you want to build confidence, go to the trade tab, look at Tesla, and on the weekly hit list, we're taking 2 weeks of expiration time. And I said the 148, 47, or 46. We'll just go with the 45 because that's the most open interest. We're going to copy this. And then we're going to come back here and we'll see exactly when this broke. So this actually broke Monday morning at 10:35 a.m., right? So now I can come here and press Control V and see what them contracts ran at 10:35, which is right here at my cursor. Right there. The contracts, this is the price of the contracts over there. $468 for one contract. Today, they hit a high of $1,090. So, maximum profits, which you're never going to get, we'll just say 1,090 minus 470. There's $620 divided by your cost basis of 470. 131 ROI percent. Now, get this. Now, keep in mind, if we go back to the Tesla chart, all that's saying is that from when we entered to right now, this move right here has a potential to get 130% ROI. Now, you're never going to capture the very top to the bottoms, but keep in mind, could you have gotten out in one day? Well, let's go back and see again. Control V. I'm looking for a quick 10 to 30% ROI. Right here was our line to get in, 463, and they went to 618 in one day. So let me ask you this. 618 minus 470 equals 148 divided by 470. Does that give me my 10 to 30% ROI? Yes. I'm in a trail stop limit, so the second I go up 10 or 15% ROI, it's going to stop me out of the trade, and it's going to give me another winning trade. Guess what? I'm happy. I can always get back in again. And that is swing trading made easy. But other than that, hey, I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all your questions. If you ever have anything, never hesitate to reach out. I'm going to give you guys your night back. I think tonight was a very productive class. If you guys felt the same, throw a DCG in the box. You guys felt you learned something tonight and you guys had a blast, put a DCG in the box. All right, we got all of our DCGs rolling in. Let's go. Hey, I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Thanks, Brandon.
Hey, Beast Mode out. Hey, appreciate you.
Thank you, Brandon.
Hey, appreciate you. Yes, sir.